In this video, aha moments using Bybrand. We'll see how to work with placeholders in the email signature. In this first part, you can see an example of a Google Sheets file with the employees list. The first line is the department placeholders, which you will add to the email signature later. I'll add one more employee to the bottom of the list and then create a new column for LinkedIn. Ready. Now download the file in CSV format, which are comma-separated values. With the file, you can import it into the new department.